Want to watch a video from your computer on a bigger screen? VLC can send compatible media to supported wireless receivers, including Chromecast devices. In this guide, I'll show you how to connect VLC to a cast device, start playback, and troubleshoot the most common connection problems. Yeah, let's get started. Before you start, make sure your computer and casting device are connected to the same local network. Turn on your TV or receiver and make sure it's ready to receive a cast. VLC supports streaming to distant renderers such as Chromecast, so having everything on the same network is a good first check. Next, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to cast. Choose Media, then open File, select your video, and start playback. You can also drag a compatible video directly into the VLC window. Now look at the VLC menu bar and open Playback. Depending on your VLC version and platform, look for the Renderer or Render Selection option. This is where VLC can discover supported devices available for playback. When VLC discovers your receiver, select its name from the renderer list. Give it a moment to connect. If the device doesn't appear immediately, check that both devices are on the same network and that the receiver is powered on. Once the receiver is selected, start or resume your video. VLC will send the media to the connected renderer instead of displaying it only on your computer. VLC officially supports Chromecast streaming, including formats that Chromecast devices may not natively support. You can continue using VLC to control the playback. Pause, resume, seek through the video, or switch to another file when supported. If playback stops unexpectedly, check your network connection and make sure the casting device is still available. When you're finished, open the renderer selection again and switch back to the local playback option or disconnect from the selected device. Your video will then return to normal playback on the computer, and that's how you cast videos with VLC. Connect both devices to the same network, open your video, select the available renderer, and start playback. If the device isn't showing up, check the network first. That's usually the easiest place to start.